In this video, I'll be explaining the sales process in Salesforce CRM. Through this video, we will understand why it is important, where we can actually use it, the default opportunity stages, how we can create the sales process with step-by-step navigation, and how we can link the sales process to record type. After the explanation, we will also see one real-time example to understand how actually sales process works. What is sales path, how we can create sales path, and then add sales path to our objects. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Saurav. Just before we get into the video, if your business needs any assistance with Salesforce, CRM consultation and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce, CRM consultation and implementation. So now let's get straight into the video. First, let's understand what a sales process is in Salesforce. A sales process in Salesforce defines the stages that a sales team follows to close a deal. It represents the journey a sales team follows to convert a lead into a successful opportunity or mark it as lost. Every organization follows different steps, and Salesforce allows us to define those steps clearly using sales processes. Now, why is a sales process important? A sales process ensures standardized steps for all users, so every sales representative follows the same structured approach. It also helps in tracking sales activities effectively and gives better visibility into where deals are getting stuck or moving forward. Sales processes are commonly used in automation, validations, and flows, especially when we want to control opportunity stages based on business rules. Now, let's move on to how to create a sales process in Salesforce using a real-time example. First, log into your Salesforce org and click on Setup. In the Quick Find box on the left, search for Sales Process and click on it. To create a new sales process, click on New. Our requirement is to create two sales processes. First, let's create the retail sales process. Click on New. Enter the name as retail sales and add a description like this sales process is for the retail sales team. Then click Save. Next, we need to select the stages for retail sales. Since retail sales usually follow a simpler flow, we will remove stages like needs analysis and value proposition. For retail sales, we will keep the following stages: prospecting, qualification, proposal, price quote, negotiation, review, closed won, and closed lost. After selecting these stages, click Save. Now, let's create the wholesale sales process. Click on New again, enter the name as Wholesale Sales, and add a description such as this sales process is for the wholesale sales team. In this case, we want to include all available stages, so we select all of them and click Save. Once the sales process are ready, we need to assign them to opportunity record types. For this, go to Object Manager, search for Opportunity and open the Opportunity object. Click on Record Types, then click New. First, create a record type for retail sales. Select an existing record type as the base, give the label as retail sales, and choose the retail sales process. Make the record type available for all profiles, assign a page layout if needed, and click Save. Next, create another record type for wholesale sales. Click New, enter the label as Wholesale Sales, and select the wholesale sales process. Make it available for all users, assign the layout, and click Save. Now, let's test how this works. Click on the app launcher, open the Sales app, and go to the Opportunities tab. Click New to create an opportunity. When you select the retail sales record type, you will see only the retail specific stages such as prospecting, qualification, proposal, price quote, negotiation review, closed won, and closed lost. If you create another opportunity and select the wholesale record type, you will see all the opportunity stages available. This clearly shows how different sales processes can be applied based on record types within the same business. This is how we can configure and use different sales processes in Salesforce to manage multiple sales flows effectively based on customer type or business model. I hope this video has explained all the points related to sales process and how you can create a sales navigation inside of Salesforce CRM step by step. If you found this video useful at all, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. If you have any further questions or suggestions, comment on this video and we will be happy to assist. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next part.